The Los Angeles courtroom was tense. The jury had reached a verdict. $AP Rocky, the renowned rapper, stood accused of assault with a firearm. When the foreman read the verdict, not guilty, the room erupted. Gasps mixed with cheers. For Rocky and his supporters, it was a moment of immense relief. The grueling 3-week trial had finally come to an end. After 3 hours of deliberation, the jury sided with the defense. The charges carried a potential sentence of several years in prison. The prosecution had presented a compelling case. They argued that Rocky, in a fit of anger, had fired his gun at the victim, AP Relly, during an altercation. The defense, however, offered a different narrative. They argued that Rocky had acted in self-defense, claiming that Relly had been the aggressor. The jury, it seemed, found this narrative more convincing. The heart of the case revolved around an incident that occurred on a November night in 2021. AP Rocky and his entourage, including former friend AP Relly, were involved in a heated argument in Hollywood. The confrontation escalated and, according to the prosecution, Rocky drew a handgun and fired multiple shots at Relly. The prosecution presented evidence, including witness testimonies and video footage, to support their claim. They argued that Rocky's actions were intentional and reckless, putting Relly and others in danger. Rocky's defense team countered these claims, painting a very different picture of the events that night. They argued that Relly, not Rocky, was the aggressor, claiming he had been harassing and threatening members of Rocky's group. They presented evidence suggesting that Relly had a history of erratic behavior and had been trying to provoke a confrontation with Rocky and his entourage. The defense maintained that Rocky never intended to harm Relly and that his actions were solely in self-defense. The courtroom was a sea of emotions during the trial. Rocky's supporters, including fellow musicians and fans, packed the gallery. Rihanna, Rocky's partner and a global icon, was a constant presence throughout the trial. Her unwavering support for Rocky was evident. The prosecution urged the jury to look beyond Rocky's celebrity status and judge him solely on the evidence presented. They argued that no one, regardless of fame or fortune, is above the law. When the not guilty verdict was read, the courtroom erupted. Rocky, visibly relieved, embraced his legal team. Outside the courtroom, reactions to the verdict were mixed. The case sparked conversations about gun violence, celebrity culture, and the complexities of the justice system. In the aftermath of the verdict, AP Rocky expressed his gratitude to the jury, his legal team, and his supporters. He acknowledged the challenges of the past 4 years and the toll the trial had taken on him and his loved ones. With the legal battle behind him, Rocky is set to resume his career. He has a packed schedule ahead, including headlining the Rolling Loud Festival and starring in Spike Lee's film, Highest to Lowest. The not guilty verdict paves the way for Rocky to reclaim his narrative and focus on his creative endeavors. The trial may be over, but its impact lingers. As Rocky embarks on this new chapter, the world will be watching, eager to see what he does next. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. See you again with another informative video. Also, share your thoughts in the comment section. Your feedback will help improve future videos.